Turkey unveils ULAQ, first armed unmanned surface vehicle. It has been built from advanced composites, has 400 km range, 65 km per hour speed, day-night vision capabilities, encrypted communication infrastructure, which can be operated from mobile vehicles and headquarters or from sea platforms such as aircraft carriers or frigates, will be used for missions like intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, surface warfare, asymmetric warfare, escort missions, strategic infrastructure protection. They are equipped with 4 cells of Cirit and 2 of L-UMTAS Guided Missile System. Along with the missile systems, AUSV will be equipped with different variations of communication and intelligence systems like jamming and electronic warfare systems to correspond diverse operational needs.